Hi, it's me, Safe for Beaverbrox, the British Tech Guru. This is an air hockey puck that one of the children has, and it is not working. That tells me, that noise tells me that there's something has skipped. So I've, just in case it's ruined some cogwheels, I've got my little box of cogwheels. So let us open this. Right. Oh, made in China. What a surprise. Let's see. I like this screwdriver. Ooh, 2 alkaline batteries. Okay. Get this off. Okay. An electric mini screwdriver would be very good, but only if it was decent. And there's so many of these things that are absolute trash. Right, let's see what happens. How do I get this blessed thing apart? Because I'm not trying to destroy it. Ah, that just pops out. Okay. That sounds pretty healthy. Why is it growling? Slide that onto there. That's producing air. That is a bit of a mystery then. So let's put it back together. It was growling, so what on earth was wrong with it? Because it's working. Okay. Mystery, mystery, mystery. Then you pull these things apart, and very often they just work. So what I'll do is I'll quietly screw this back together and we'll see what happens. And it could just be that the, oops, turn the screwdriver around again. That's the thing half the time when you take some things apart and just put them back together the way, exactly the way they were. They just work. So let's put this, finish putting this back together and see what the score is. Okay. Oh, it's certainly producing. Oh, I forgot to put that back on. Oh well. But it should, I'm sure. Well, it seems to move. Perhaps not as freely as I would like, but it does move. Okay, I'm going to consider that fixed. I'll just have to put it back together the right way. And I have no idea why that was making a horrible noise. It's no, not making a horrible noise. So yeah, the children can use it again.